Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming carrier support for ESIM and locating the activation QR or code. This is essential. Once done, make sure your S23 Ultra runs the latest One UI and that you're on a stable Wi-Fi network. Downloads must be reliable. Also, keep the device charged above 20% and have your Samsung and carrier account passwords handy. These steps prevent interruptions and speed the activation. Now, open Settings and proceed to Connections to add a mobile plan. We'll walk through that next. Open Settings, tap Connections, then SIM Card Manager, and choose Add Mobile Plan. You're doing the core action now. Scan the carrier QR code with the camera. If scanning fails, select Enter Activation Code and type the string exactly. Carriers sometimes require matching spaces or dashes. Tap Accept to install the profile and watch the download progress. This can take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once downloaded, assign the ESIM as primary or secondary, based on how you want calls. After the profile installs, confirm it's active in SIM Card Manager and set your preferred line for calls, texts, and data. Then make a test call and browse a web page. If the network doesn't appear, restart the phone first. That resolves many registration issues. If problems persist, remove the plan and rescan the QR or use your carrier's activation app. Keep the device EID and MA ready when you call support. Those identifiers let the carrier complete provisioning quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.